Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and this is my first video actually, so please do well to support me by subscribing. So today we are going to be going straight to the point and I'll show you how I got to this. Alright, we are starting with our artificial nails and I love this one because it's already filed, so it doesn't even stress so much. And now before we glue it, we have to check the fitting of the nail, right? If the artificial nail fits perfectly, fine, we can use it. If it doesn't, we have to check for the one that fits perfectly before we use it. And now when it comes to gluing, I like to rub my glue on the nail first to be sure that okay, the glue is going to go everywhere I want it to go on the nail and it's going to be strong. All right, now notice the little space I kept in the nail. Yeah, I didn't fix the artificial nail to the end of the nail. All right, we need that little space for filing, but we'll get back to it later. All right, and just in case there's little glue while you're trying to fix your artificial nails, you can take it off easily, right? And you have to take it off immediately so that it won't glue the nail to your flesh. All right, so now we are going to be fixing others, and while fixing you have to take note, you do not need excess glue. Please, you just need a very moderate amount and you are good to go, because if you put excess glue, the tendency that the nail is going to last longer is very little. So it's just best to go with moderate or little and yeah, you're good to go. Alright, over to filing the nail. We are going to be using a blunt file, and notice we are going to be using the edge of the file to file the nail. Why? We need a blunt file so that we won't get injured or won't injure our clients while filing. And then remember that little space I told you to keep while fixing artificial nail. Yes, that is where we are going to file. So you just move the file from the lower left corner of your nail to the middle, and from the middle to the lower right corner of a nail. That's how to file it, just bit by bit, and yes, it's going to be done. You need to file it so well. You need to file it, right? You're filing your nail because you have to blend it with your natural nail so that it won't be, even if yes, anyone that sees your nail is going to know that maybe yes, you added an extension, and that's going to be because the nail will be long. But if it's a short nail, you have to file your nail so that it won't even be obvious that you added a nail extension. Can just fix a very short nail and flex it and be like, and people will see and be like, oh my god, this is a natural nail. You get stuff like that now. Yes, so that is why you need to file your nail and you need to blend it so well. Also, so that while you're painting your nail, it's going to be very easy for you to polish it. Alright, so that you avoid bumps while polishing your nail. Now back to using a blunt file. If you're a professional or you feel like you're good at this, yeah, you can use a new file or a sharp file. But if you are not, or if you are a beginner, please do well to use a blunt file. When you're done filing and you feel like okay, you just need to get a little finishing, that's when you can take a blunt file or a new file so that you won't make any mistakes or injure someone or injure yourself or injure your client. And also make sure that your artificial nail blends very well with your natural nail. Alright, after filing, just wash it so that we can take off the particle that's on the nail from filing. And now this is it. It looks pretty. Over to polishing, I'm using OPI base coat. You have to apply the base coat before applying polish, and take note of how I picked the polish. Actually, do well to take note of that. Very important. Alright, after applying the base coat, in fact after applying nail polish in general, always make sure you clean off the stains that touches the skin. Alright, if your nail polish touch the skin or the base coat or top coat, whatever, just make sure you clean it off immediately, because this is gel polish and gel polish is not like normal polish that you can clean off after you dry it. Once you put gel polish in a curing machine, it dries, and taking it off is going to be very hard. And not just hard, if you succeed in taking it off, you might end up peeling the polish from not just the flesh but also from the nail, which is going to spoil it, and it's very bad practice. So please take note of this. Alright guys, do not mind the fact that I'm mixing brands. Actually they are not giving me bad results, but I encourage you, if you want to get a set of nail polish, I really encourage you to get from a particular brand. I think it will be better that way. Although these brands, like I said, are not giving me bad results and I'm flowing very well with them. Now notice that I was actually slow on this particular nail because I had to cover up that little glitch, which I'm sure you guys can see, and that's because I didn't file the nail properly. Like, this is a beginner tutorial, so I'm not acting like a boss. I'm actually bringing myself solo to show you guys what happens and what doesn't happen behind the scene, just in case you have a problem like this, you know how to fill it up. Okay, all you have to do there is just put in the gel polish more than usual, make sure that place is filled up, all right, before you cure it. Then it won't even be obvious that you didn't file the nail properly. This is a beginner class, like I said, so feel free to ask me any question you have in the comment section. Please, I'll be here to answer you guys. Alright, now we are going to be double coating the nail. Double coating makes the nail brighter and actually more beautiful. It brings out the look and brings out the color more. Alright. To address you guys on this part, when you want to do art on your nail or make it drawing on your nail, your pinky finger, it's very important. I want you to look at how I place my pinky finger on my hand. even if you're fixing someone's nail, yeah, that you place the pinky, use your two hands, you place the pinky finger. Just look at what I did, exactly how I kept that pinky finger on my hand. That is what you need to do. When you do that, it's going to give you balance, so that you can draw whatever you want or do whatever art you want without moving your hands. Even if you want to draw a straight line, I'm going to do more videos, definitely. I'm going to show you guys how to do all those. But just note that pinky finger and the positioning, it's very, very, very important. I don't know how to overemphasize on this, but it's very important. Alright, you guys, this is actually giving. I mean, you get the picture, right? It's clouds and birds. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to do little finishing touches. I didn't want to put stars because I didn't want the design to look too much. Okay, I'm going to cure the nails for about 60 to 120 seconds, and yeah, it's dry. So what we have to do now is apply top coat. You might wonder why I'm using a different brand, because I used OPI as the base coat. I also have OPI top coat, but I actually prefer this. It's still top coat. I prefer this brand to OPI. OPI is still very good. In fact, that's one of the best brands I can recommend for you guys in case you're thinking of getting a set of nail polish. OPI is a very, very, very nice brand, but I just like this one. I just like the top coat. That's why I decided to use it. Alright guys, this is the final result. It's very simple, yet it's very, very beautiful. If you watched the video up to this point, thank you so much. You really did a lot. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more content like this, and you will learn a lot from my channel. Thanks for watching.